Kiah Hamilton-Adams. I'm a volunteer with Healthy Minds, and I started volunteering with Healthy Minds during my gap year because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. I wasn't sure what degree I wanted to pick, so I wanted to do a bit of mental health volunteering. And I've actually carried the volunteering on through university, and with my volunteering it actually helped me get a scholarship at my university as well. But what I actually do with Healthy Minds is I go in and out of schools, including primary schools across West Yorkshire, and I run mental health and self-esteem workshops, as well as doing some sport and drama workshops as well during the summer holidays. And I run these workshops to try and reduce the stigma around mental health and encourage young people to talk about their mental health problems with others. And I'm in Ryburn today doing exactly that. I'm running mental health workshops with the year 8s in the school. But as well as me, there are paid workers who work for the charity Healthy Minds, and they do pretty much the same thing as me, but they also run Time Out, which is an initiative to get young people to find their hobby and to find the thing that makes them feel good, because hobbies, exercise, all have a really good and positive effect on your mental health. So if you find a hobby that's good for you, it's going to increase your mental health. And we're always looking for more young people to come and volunteer with us. Anybody under the age of 19 can volunteer. So please find us online, it's Healthy Minds at Calderdale, and let us know and send us an email and we'll get you to come volunteer with us. Thank you.